Stop the scroll, because what you're about to see completely redefines luxury RV travel and the meaning of off-grid living. Forget everything you think you know about motorhomes. This isn't your grandma's cozy coach. This is the Ethereum Ascendancia 50-foot, City in Black Declaration of Independence. Engineered not just for the weekend trip, but for perpetual boondocking freedom. We're talking weeks, maybe months. Entirely self-sufficient, tucked away in the most beautiful remote corners of the USA. Are you tired of being tied to crowded RV parks and expensive hookups? Then buckle up, because today, for the first time on Motorhomes USA, we're cracking open the doors and revealing the best-kept boondocking secrets hidden within the Ethereum Ascendancy. We'll cover the mind-blowing specs, the off-market mods you need to see, and exactly why this mega rig is the ultimate full-time RV living solution. Hit that like button, and let's dive into the future of RVing. Welcome back to Motorhomes USA, your go-to channel for the most luxurious and capable RVs on the planet. And today, we are in awe. This is the Ethereum Ascendancy. Now, at first glance, you might think you're looking at something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. But trust me, this is real, and it is a beast. The Ethereum Ascendancy is a custom Class 8 truck conversion-o mega motorhome hauler that takes the concept of durability to a whole new level. Why is this model, specifically, a favorite among full-time RV enthusiasts and serious boondockers? It boils down to its foundation. Look at this chassis. It's a custom 8-wheel platform, built to handle the kind of punishment that would turn a regular Class A coach into scrap. That means superior structural integrity, less body flex, and a level of safety you simply can't find in mass-produced models. We're talking over $2,000 lb-ft of torque for those steep mountain climbs and a massive fuel capacity for days of driving without a stop. But the real magic, the reason it's so perfect for long-term off-grid living, is what that rugged foundation allows us to bolt on. Specifically, the massive power and water capacity we'll detail next. All right, let's get into the guts of this boondocking monster, the custom aftermarket. Modifications that truly unlock the Ethereum Ascendancy's potential for extended off-grid living. Because having a beautiful interior means nothing if your batteries die on day 2. On the roof, we have a meticulously installed, nearly invisible, $6,000 watt solar array. That's enough to run 2 separate residential air conditioning units, the induction cooktop, and all the electronics without breaking a sweat, even on partly cloudy days. And where does all that power go? That's where the real upgrade comes in. Tucked away in these custom-designed bays is a $100 second lithium iron phosphate, LiFePO, for battery bank. That's not a typo 100 1,000 watt-hours. For context, that's up to 10 times the size of what comes standard on most luxury RVs. It's giving you a serious energy buffer for weeks of dark weather or heavy appliance use. But power is only half the battle. The ride quality is essential for full-time travelers. We've added a fully custom, computer-controlled, self-leveling air ride suspension system on all 8 wheels. This means the rig handles like a performance vehicle on the highway. And with the flick of a switch, it perfectly levels itself at any boondocking site, no matter how uneven the terrain. This combination of massive solar, a mega battery bank, and the adaptive suspension is the holy trinity of full-time luxury RVing. It's the difference between merely visiting the great outdoors and living effortlessly within it. Stepping inside the Ethereum Ascendancy is like entering a high-end loft apartment. It's minimalist, luxurious, and designed for genuine full-time living. The layout maximizes usable space, which is critical when your home is on wheels. Let's start with the kitchen, the heart of any home. We have a full-size residential induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a massive French door refrigerator, freezer combo. But pay attention to the smart storage. Every drawer, every cabinet uses custom, heavy-duty marine-grade latches, ensuring nothing moves during travel. Now for the digital nomad and the full-time reverse workspace, this specific unit features a dedicated slide-out desk area integrated seamlessly into the main living space. It's large enough for dual monitors, features multiple hidden charging ports, and is strategically placed near a window to allow for plenty of natural light. When you're running a business on the road, your setup needs to be professional and comfortable. Moving back, the master suite is an oasis. Think king-size memory foam bed, integrated ambient lighting, and one of my favorite features, a hidden floor-to-ceiling storage compartment built into the wall of the slide-out. Perfect for hiding away off-season clothing or valuable equipment. Finally, the bathroom, it's spa-like. A glass-enclosed rain shower with a massive $20 gallon electric instant water heater means you never run out of hot water. Even with the incredible $500 a gallon fresh water tank, this isn't camping, folks. This is luxury residence on wheels. So what's it like to pilot a 50-foot luxury fortress like the Ethereum Ascendancy? Honestly, it's smoother and less stressful than you might imagine. Thanks to that heavy-duty foundation and the adaptive air suspension we talked about, the sheer mass of the vehicle contributes to an incredibly stable ride. Minimizing the sway and bounce you get in lighter RVs, the cabin is soundproof to an insane degree, turning the roar of the massive engine into a manageable purr for long travel days. Now, let's talk fuel economy tips. You're driving a heavy machine, but because the chassis is designed for heavy hauling, surprisingly efficient when driven smartly. Keep it around $60, $65 mph. Use the cruise control, and you'll maximize your distance. The overall feel of traveling in the Ethereum Ascendancy is one of absolute security and luxury. You feel like you can literally drive anywhere and stay as long as you want. To wrap up, here are the top 3 reasons any serious RV enthusiast would choose the Ethereum Ascendancy over any other model. Number 1. Unmatched boondocking endurance. The massive water and power capacity give you weeks of freedom. Number 2. Superior durability and safety. It's built on a heavy-duty truck platform, not a glorified bus. Number 3. Total customization. It's a blank canvas for the ultimate full-time luxury RV lifestyle. This machine is the pinnacle of high-end mortgers, and there it is, the Ethereum Ascendancy. This isn't just a motorhome. It's an enabler of a grand, luxurious, and totally independent lifestyle. It's proof that you don't have to sacrifice comfort, power, or technology to chase the open road and find those secret, remote boondocking spots. The journey is the destination, but having a home like this along for the ride makes every single mile pure luxury. We've shown you our favorite mods and the hidden features of this incredible machine, but now I want to hear from you. What's your best RV hack? Whether it's a smart storage solution, a power tip, or an off-grid trick, drop it in the comments below. Let's build the ultimate community resource for full-time RVers. If you loved this tour of the Ethereum Ascendancy, smash that like button. Subscribe to Motorhomes USA for more exclusive luxury tours. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, happy trails, and may your battery banks always be full.